Feeling overwhelmed by your busy schedule, wondering how to boost productivity and create a workspace that works for you? Introducing Feng Shui for busy professionals with a powerful twist of ancient Egyptian energy. This is no ordinary Feng Shui. We're diving deep into the secrets of success and abundance that have stood the test of time. Learn how to boost your professional power, stay focused like a pharaoh, and invite the energies of abundance into your workspace. Supercharge your space for success. Join me on October 19th and 26th for an exclusive 2-session workshop designed for busy professionals like you. Together, we'll activate ancient success energies, declutter for clarity, and implement quick, powerful tips you can use right away without overhauling your space. Sign up by October 12th to get the early bird discount. This is your chance to transform your environment and your career with ancient wisdom and modern success strategies. Workshop dates: October 19th and October 26th, 2024. Time 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Cairo time. Early bird deadline October 12th, 2024. Save 300 EGP. Find link in the description to sign up or DM for more details.